In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images to your Surveymonkey questions. This is a fantastic way to make your survey more engaging and visually appealing. I'll guide you through two effective methods available within Surveymonkey's features to incorporate images, whether you need them inside the question text or as selectable options. Let's dive in and explore these options together. First, let's talk about inserting images directly inside the question text. This approach is excellent for adding visual prompts, diagrams, or illustrations that enhance your question's context. To start, navigate to your survey and click on the Design Survey section. Once you're there, you can either select an existing question you want to edit or add a new one by choosing the text and descriptive type. This helps in setting the stage for incorporating your images seamlessly. You'll notice a rich text editor toolbar at the top, and within this toolbar, there's an option called Insert Edit Image. Click on it to proceed. Now, you can upload an image from your library, supporting file formats like JPG, PNG, or .gif, with a maximum size of 2 MB. For accessibility, it's essential to include alternative text, also known as alt text, which helps screen readers describe the image to visually impaired users. Once you're satisfied with all the settings, click OK to insert your image into the question text. Don't forget to save your changes to ensure everything is updated. Moving on to the second option, let's discuss using image choice questions. This is particularly ideal if you want your respondents to make selections based on visual elements, such as choosing between different product mock-ups or packaging designs. To implement this, stay in the Design Survey area and look to the Build sidebar. Here, you'll see the option for Image Choice. Selecting this will allow you to enter a question prompt, setting the context for the image choices you're providing. One of the great features of image choice is that you can upload up to 10 images as answer options. Alternatively, you can also link to hosted images if you prefer. It's a good idea to add captions and alternative text here as well, which boosts the survey's accessibility. Further configuration settings are available, allowing you to tailor the question to your needs. Decide whether you want respondents to make a single or multiple selections. You can also enable randomization of the images or apply scoring if that's part of your survey strategy. Once all your settings align with your survey goals, click Save, and you're all set. That wraps up our guide on integrating images into Surveymonkey questions. Utilizing these methods enhances your survey's interactivity and can lead to more dynamic and engaging responses from your audience. Thanks for watching, and happy surveying.